Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tally in Canva. Creating tally marks is straightforward using Canva's versatile design tools. You will primarily use simple shapes like lines or thin rectangles to construct each mark. The key is to group 5 marks together, with the 5th line crossing the first 4, making them easy to count at a glance. You can also personalize the colors and sizes to perfectly fit your project's visual style. Let's begin by building your tally marks. First, navigate to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and search for line or rectangle. Choose a thin rectangle or line and place it on your canvas. Duplicate this line 3 more times, arranging them vertically side by side to form a set of 4 marks. Finally, add a 5th line, positioning it diagonally across the 4 vertical lines to complete your group of 5. To manage your tallies efficiently, select all 5 lines of your completed tally group and click Group in the toolbar. This allows you to move and duplicate the entire set as one unit. When creating multiple groups, use Canva's Position tool to align them perfectly and distribute them evenly. You can also easily resize your group tallies to ensure they fit seamlessly within your overall design layout. Customizing your tally marks can enhance your design. Select your group tally and use the color picker to change its hue or adjust the line weight for a bolder or finer look. These tallies are excellent for infographics or simple data displays, adding a clear visual count. Remember to maintain consistent styling, such as color and thickness, across all your tally mark sets to ensure a cohesive and professional appearance throughout your project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.